up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's 1st of January, so happy new year guys. So today I'm gonna work on this Kia Optima K5. Yeah, so I quoted this car about a year and a half ago, I think around there. So so the car has zero maintenance done to the coat so far, and I mean the surface contamination is quite severe on the car because this car is fully parked outdoors and fully exposed to all the environmental elements. There are watermarks, stains, contamination on the paint. The paint is a little bit rough, so there'll be some claying. So let's see what I can do to just revive the coat and the water beading back, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Guys, so I'm done with the Kia Optima K5, and as you can see in the video, it is crazy dirty. The build up at the back is insanely dirty. So I just handed over the car back to my client, and then he swapped over his another car for maintenance as well, so which is this. Yep, so I'll be working on this tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that. So remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button for post notifications, and I will see you guys soon.